Today I want to speak something about 15th August. This is an Independence Day. We are going to celebrate this day and we have to remember those people who have sacrificed their life for our freedom. After independence, we got all our fundamental rights. It is actually a national holiday also. Today I am honored to have speak something on Independence Day. All my respected teachers, principals, dear friends and all my well-wishers. Today is the day for independence when we the Indians are free from the bondage of British rule. This day is remarkable for all the Indians. Through this day I am here to celebrate with active participation and let us know all the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for our free life from British rule. Today is very important because at Red Fort in Delhi, where on 15th August people hoisted the national flag at first and remember those people who sacrificed their life for freedom. Besides of that, we have celebrated a little bit today because in this year 2020 our world is suffering from corona, a pandemic which snatched away the most of the people. But it is our duty to celebrate this day enjoyably, except that generally we actually are not truly free. Every person should have to depend on another people. So, I am very lucky to have speak something on this day. So, thank you very much. Love you all the people. And it's a great journey to all the people to celebrate the Independence Day. Thank you very much.